Star Trek has been a part of my life since I was a little girl. My dad really is the one who introduced me to Star Trek. It just took me one episode to fall in love with this other world that I couldn't understand, but I felt like I could relate to. I was always very curious about the characters and the storyline. You always felt emotionally connected to the characters and whatever they were going through. This is something that's been a part of me since my childhood. It's never left me. So it wasn't like just doing a song for any random film. I love Star Trek. It was automatic. I would do anything in terms of music. It's such a big deal, not only as a fan, as a musician, because Star Trek is such a big deal across the globe. This song, it needed to be big and impactful, very emotional, dramatic, and haunting at the same time. I couldn't believe it. I was very, very honored to be a part of this film. Holla.